that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable way.
Hey, come on, yeah. I don't want the fame, cause I don't want a two-step with me, come on. Two-step with me, come on. You would tell me, actually 1, 2, 3, talk to me. Man, I come to this game, man, to change your brain. Man, I come to...
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to let go of this dead weight, honey. We are doing our very first hair trimming video on curly hair. I have not trimmed, let me rephrase that. I trimmed my hair while it was straight. I've never trimmed my hair curly at all. I have ever since I went natural. I have not trimmed my hair while it was curly. And y'all know I don't straighten my hair often. I'll probably straighten my hair like 2 times a year. But I don't cut my hair every time I straighten it. So we are going to do a curly hair trim. So if you want to see how this video turns out, then just keep on watching the video. So we are in the new year, and I just want to tell y'all Happy New Year, because I realized I didn't tell y'all Happy New Year in my last video because I filmed it so early. So Happy New Year. So for today's video, we are going to do a hair cutting video for this curly hair. I did recently trim my hair the last time my hair was straight, but it was just like a really quick trim, cut, whatever. So we're actually going to dive in and really get these split ends, because your girl can't be having split ends in the new year, okay? So I have already washed my hair and I've already detangled my hair, so we're just gonna hop right onto this video. So I'm gonna part my hair into sections, and I'm using a wide tooth comb for this to part my hair. I'm gonna part my hair down the middle. So we're just gonna tie this back. And I'm actually gonna need a rubber band because I only brought one rubber band downstairs. I'm gonna section my hair off. We're gonna work with one side first. My left side is the struggle side. Like, you see the texture is just so much different than the right side of my hair. But so we're just gonna section it off. So I'm gonna actually treat my hair. It's the Texture ID Deep Treatment Mask, and it has sweet almond oil, wheat protein, plus honey. And it's supposed to restore, strengthen, and hydrate the hair. Now I'm gonna part this. We're probably gonna do 4 different sections, just so we're cutting it correctly. And I'm just gonna put that away. So I'm going to spray down my hair. I have my Puff Cuff water bottle spray. So I'm just going to spray down, because you want to work with wet hair when you do this. And y'all are probably like, girl, how do you know? You never cut curly hair before. Your girl had to watch like 50 million YouTube videos before even coming down here to film this, okay? And now I'm just going to get some product. Probably going to go in with this amount of product right here, just because the sections really aren't that big. And make sure you focus this on the ends, because that's where we need to cut. So now I'm going to take my little faux dimming brush, and we're just going to detangle the hair. And as you can see, you see what my ends are looking like. And we're just going to kind of wait for the curls to bounce back, so we can see if we have any straggly pieces. So after you do that, we are going to twist the hair. And wherever the hair is like straight, or where the curl starts to form. So I'll probably cut off this piece right here. And I'm going to use my Goodies scissors. And I'm just going to cut where the curl starts. So you see the curl starts like starting to form a curl right at this section. We're just going to cut right here. So this much. Can y'all see that? This much right there. Like I said, my left side is the struggle side. So this is what it should look like. You see how the curl is forming again? That's what you should have. So now we're going to do that for the rest of the hair. I'm going to do 4 sections on this side and then 4 sections on the other side. I just realized, because I was watching my videos from last year, I started off the new year last year with a hair tutorial. Crazy. But it's probably because like I end the year off with a whole photo shoot and a makeup tutorial, so I feel like y'all get tired of seeing that. So I try to, you know, give y'all some variety. So make sure you wait for the curls to bounce back after you have detangled your hair. Make sure you twist and blink. Twist and blink. Wingardium Leviosa. It's not Wingardium Leviosa. It's Wingardium Leviosa. I watch a lot of Harry Potter. Don't judge. Where the curl starts to form, you see how it's kind of curved? I'm going to take this straight piece off, wiggle it around, and I'm just going to cut it right here. And when I cut this, I'm actually going to bring the hair up forward because I can see it better when I bring it forward. Leave in the comment if you want an updated curly hair routine and an updated rice water. I had this one lady in my comments, y'all, had the nerve to be like, basically y'all don't need to take that video seriously because I've always had long hair, which when I was little, and if you look at my hair journey, clearly she didn't watch the video. When I was little, obviously I did have long hair, but y'all know when I got to high school and college, I cut that bitch off, okay? And I was dyeing it, and I was doing everything possible to just kind of go with the trend, and my hair was breaking off. So she was just mad calling me a liar because basically I've always had long hair, which doesn't mean anything because freaking rice water helps with strengthening your hair, reducing shedding, which I stated in the video. Clearly she did not watch it. Clearly she just commented on it without even watching the video, because then she would have known what I said in it. Super huge hater, but you know, if you ain't got no haters, you ain't popping, okay? For this one, I'm just gonna cut right where the curl is starting to curl. So these are what the pieces are looking like. So for this one, I'm gonna cut it right here. And don't worry if they're not even, because curly hair is very forgiving, so you really can't tell if you have a bad haircut. Now my right side, babe, always act accordingly. Curls be popping, okay? You see, the right side is babe. I probably don't even need to take off much. I'm just gonna cut right here and a little bit on that side, because the curl is there. Like, y'all see the curl. So I know somebody asked me a question in the comments. This was during my curly hair routine, my very first curly hair routine. And they asked me how I treat, because you know the crown of my hair is so dry. It's just, it does its own thing. Like y'all know, the crown of my hair, when I said it was super, super dry. And they asked me how they can, you know, kind of repair that area. And honestly, I really don't know. Because I feel like it depends on if you sleep on like the back of your head, or you know, when you go to do your hair, you don't really put as much product in that area versus on the sides. Because, like I said, so honestly, I really don't know what you could do to kind of like repair that area besides like just giving it like more attention and love and making sure that when you do like on those days where like you wash your hair but don't go anywhere, you're still putting in like a leave-in conditioner, especially in that area. Because my hair, I mean, it still be dry. So I haven't mastered like or like found a cure for the dry center of the hair. So just to let y'all know, I do be reading the comments. I do. Sometimes I'll like or love something, sometimes I won't. Like if you ask me a question that I know is in the video, I'm not gonna respond, because that just lets me know that you like skimmed through the video. So you might as well just watch it in its entirety, because I explain, okay? I be explaining up in here. Don't just be skimming through the videos because you're going to miss the question. Like, you're going to miss the answer to your questions, sis, okay? And my videos don't be even long for real, okay? 10 minutes is not long when it's, like, instructional. Even 15 minutes. Like, my videos don't be more than, like, 10 to 15 minutes. Like, this one will probably be, like, 10 minutes because it's an instructional video. So don't be commenting like, girl, what scissors did you use? And I'm going to use my Goodies scissors. Alright, y'all. So our hair is looking like this at the moment. I'm about to go do my hair for real. Just so y'all can see what the curls look like when they're dry. I didn't really take that much off my hair. I'm going to show y'all on my other camera. This is how much I took off. Some of the pieces kind of landed on the floor. And then I have some pieces, don't mind the rag. Y'all know when I did my Christmas series? Yeah. So I took some off right here. We just basically just did the trim, y'all. We just did the trim. I'm going to go do my hair for real off camera. And then I'll be back to show y'all what these curls look like. You see, they look so much better. They're curling at the end, y'all. So this is the finished results. This is what my hair is looking like right now. The curls are way better, especially on the left side. I've never seen the curl pattern like this before. Okay, we get a nice curl. Y'all know the right side always acts right. This is what the top is looking like. I do eventually want to get one of those like diva cuts, but I don't know, or just like layers in my curls. But I'm scared too, because if I go to straighten this, even though I don't straighten my hair a lot, I'm like, how is it gonna look? So this is it for the finished video. I hope you guys enjoyed the first video of the year. We are letting go of the dead weight. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. If you are new to my channel, join the B.O.M.B Squad, because we are the realest squad on the internet. Also, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment box below. But I look forward to seeing y'all in my next tutorial. Bye guys.